Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing great. I am also feeling bright and positive today. First of all, I would like to thank my respected teacher Farhadul Islam sir for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Saima Uddin, but you can simply call me Saima. I am from the beautiful coastal town of Cox's Bazar, more specifically from Jhautala. I am 16 years old and the proud sister among four siblings. I have recently completed my SSS examination and I'm currently waiting for my result. Now let me tell you a bit more who I am. I consider myself hardworking, loyal, and committed to my goals. I'm always eager to learn and improve. In my free time, I like to watching K-dramas, explore new places, and of course, sleeping. Who doesn't? But if there one thing that truly defines me, it's singing. That's where my heart belongs. I also enjoy a good action or thriller movie every now and then. I live by the quote, where there is a will, there is a way, because it reminds me to stay strong, hopeful, and committed to my goals, no matter the challenges. That's a little glimpse into who I am. Thanks everyone for listening so kindly.